Frank, go ahead.
Eric, ito gusto natin linawin na may mga nakakita na po. Actually, Eric, may nakita po na mga army trucks
Ayun.
na nasa vicinity.
Yan
Nakikita
natin
na
ng
po
umaga.
sila mga army trucks.
Kasi 6 a.m. lumabas ang news eh.
Bibigay na information sa atin na meron na po nakikita. We will just wait for the video.
You're
po,
referring to the Davao compound.
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Sa KOJC,
KOJC
even yan po, mga army trucks po ang dinideploy na po ng ating pamahalaan. I cannot say the PNP only here.
No, we don't know yet, Frank.
Yeah.
We don't know yet that information. So,
Naglabas
it was
ngayon ng
not-
news.
Really?
Si Lieutenant General Bergante
Really?
was quoted in a news
Saying?
online, that they are going to deploy 3 companies of Army for law
To defend the Filipino people or to
Hopefully.
support
torment
to law
them?
enforcement.
Hopefully, ma'am.
Ang term na
Hopefully.
ginamit, support to law enforcement.
That's really good. If you're going to enforce the law, sir, very
Hopefully.
good.
That's why maganda rin kung makuha natin ang statement at clarification ni Lieutenant General Bergante ng Eastern Mindanao Command, the area commander of the Armed Forces of the Philippines, na siyang may hawak at control sa command ngayon ng mga tropa ng military natin sapagkat, sir, hindi pa ba sapat ang 5,000 pulis na binitbit ni Abalos, ni Marbil at ni Marcos para dahasin at gahasain ang kalayaan at karapatan ng mga mananampalataya at sibilyan at Pilipinong kapwa nating walang armas, kabataan at kababayan sa loob ng isang linggo? Hindi pa sapat yung dinanas nila na ngayon ay ginawang garrison, war zone, barracks, ang buong compound, paaralan, katedral, at dinisturbo at sinaktan sila at kinakaladkad sa kanilang sariling pananahanan at pananampalataya at paninirahan. General Bergante, please, kung hindi totoo ito, ipaliwanag po natin sa publiko kung bakit lumabas sa news ngayon online, 6 a.m. in the morning, that the Eastern Mindanao Command is deploying the 3 company of Philippine Army soldiers for law enforcement support sa nangyayari ngayon sa Kingdom of Jesus Christ, so that people will be clarified. Ano po ang layunin nito?
Yes, and of course, we pray. Of course, we believe in the armed force of the Philippines. That they are the protector, really, the protector of the people. That they will be there to ease up the tension.
Sana.
They
Dapat.
will be there not supporting the harassment that the PNP is doing right now to the missionaries. We are praying, of course, those are the people that we still believe
Yeah.
that you can serve and protect. If the PNP cannot do it anymore, you're the only organization that can really prove that the Constitution is really working. And we're not expecting anything against the AFP. Of course, we believe in them, Eric.